In this video, I will show you how to make money trading crypto with the 5-minute scalping strategy. Even if you are a complete beginner in trading, you will most likely have heard about the term scalping. Scalping in trading involves making small, frequent profits by entering and exiting trades quickly, usually within seconds to minutes. Here's an example of a basic scalping strategy with free indicators that you can use on TradingView. First, we need to select a short time frame, such as a 5-minute or 3-minute chart, to identify any quick price movements. Next, we want to add the free support and resistance tool by Flux Charts to our chart. This indicator will give us an overview of the current trend in the market. It also identifies key support and resistance levels to place entry and exit points. Next, add the 5 to 15-minute scalping ribbon to the chart. It's also free, and you can find it by searching for ribbon, and selecting the one from Trade Travel Chill. This is a multiple EMA indicator, with different settings. The yellow lines act as support and resistance, and the further away the candlesticks are moving from the lines, the more chance that the price will reverse. You can also add Bollinger Bands for price squeezes and quick breakouts if you like, but I prefer to keep my chart clean. I also make sure that the volume is on to confirm price movements. High volume bars indicate strong momentum, so always keep your eyes on the volume. If there's low volume, then the possible retracement may not have enough power to continue, and the trade can turn against you. Scalping works best in a high volatility market, so try trading during the high liquidity hours and pick the biggest pairs like Bitcoin USDT or Ethereum USDT, as these are the biggest and easiest markets for scalping. We want to see a lot of action and price movement, so we can get in and out our trades quickly. I also set up price alerts to notify me when certain conditions are met, allowing me to respond quickly. You can easily do that on TradingView. Select the alerts icon on the right side, and click on the plus sign to enter your alert. Or simply right-click on the chart, and add your alert. Scalpers often use a combination of charting indicators, like the RSI, the Awesome Oscillator and the Fibonacci retracement level to identify potential entry and exit points, so feel free to pick the tools that you find easy to use. Once you have entered your trade with a quick market order, it's extremely important to immediately set a tight stop loss to limit your losses. Not every trade will work out as you planned, so always set a stop loss. Scalping is all about focus, discipline, and rapid decision-making, so be prepared to adapt to changing market conditions. Keep a strict exit strategy because one large loss could eliminate many small gains. The number of people who try day trading and scalping has increased, and beginners often make the mistake of entering too many trades. A successful scalper waits for the right moment to go in a trade, spots opportunities and constantly monitors the screen, so it's not the best strategy for beginners. One bad trade can wipe out all your profits and even result in a liquidation of all your funds if you use leverage or margin trading. Since the profit margin per trade is limited, the order execution has to be accurate. Beginners are usually more comfortable with trading on the buy side in a bull market and should stick to it before they gain sufficient confidence and expertise to handle the short side. As a rule, it's best to close all positions during a day's trading session and not carry them over to the next day. Scalping is based on small opportunities that exist in the market, so do not deviate from the basic principle of holding a position for a short time period. If you can implement a strict exit strategy, then scalping can be a profitable way to make money. As a scalper, you do not have to follow basic technical analysis because it doesn't play a significant role when dealing with a short time frame. Another major advantage of scalping is that there is little market risk involved, as long as a tight stop loss is implemented and you can scalp trade when markets are moving up and down, so there's always an opportunity to make money. However, there are also drawbacks to scalping. It involves more trades, compared to other strategies, and opening a large number of trades comes with higher transaction costs because you pay a small fee on every trade. For some traders, the risk of generating many small profits is not worth it. If you make a lot of trades every day, scalping can be a time-consuming event. The difference between scalping and swing trading is that the main advantage of swing trading over scalping is that there's less trading volume, less time spent, fewer trades, and, consequently, lower trading costs. Also, a swing trader does not need to constantly monitor his position but can make as much money as a scalper by engaging in less risky and time-consuming activities. Check out the scalping video on my channel to see how I make $200 per trade using the scalping strategy on BitFlex. If you also want to start scalp trading crypto on the spot market or use leverage by trading derivatives, then I recommend choosing BitFlex. They have very low fees, the interface is easy to use, even for beginners, and every time you trade on BitFlex, you earn flex points which give you access to rebates, vouchers and tons of special gifts. I have a special link below that will give you the best welcome bonus if you open an account. BitFlex doesn't require KYC, so that's also a good thing if you care about your privacy. Remember that there is no exact strategy for swing trading or scalping. Practical experience is the most essential part. Choosing between scalping and swing trading depends on various factors such as personal trading style, risk tolerance and time availability. Some people prefer the rapid pace and potential for quick profits offered by scalping, while others may opt for the more relaxed approach and potentially larger gains of swing trading. Finding your unique trading technique that produces positive results is the key to becoming a successful trader. If you are new to crypto and want to find out how to start trading cryptocurrencies for profit, I recommend you to download my Cryptocurrency Beginner's Guide. It's completely free and contains everything you need to know to get started. The download link is in the description below. If you found this video useful, please leave a like, or even better, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get an alert when I release a new video. Have a wonderful day, and stay safe.